Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Oppo Pad Air. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. Following that, type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, continue, continue, allow. In this window though, you can choose not now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. I need to rotate my tablet real quick. And from here, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Then receive next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. Now go back to Xiaomi and tap on all of those categories at the top. In them, you can tap on those type of dots to select multiple files. You can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on this scanning icon above User Guide on Oppo. Then, to allow camera access, choose while using the app or only this time. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key into Input Key section and then connect using Receive. So when I click on it, as you can see, I need to set up the best option for my ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window to see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!